Good day to Netflixers and mixers. Welcome back to the channel, and for this video we're going to open up this crumpled paper. Let's go. Okay, so don't be deceived by this crumpled paper because this contains our favorite game, Heroclix. Okay, so I got this from Cool Stuff Inc. This has been in my virtual warehouse for the longest time, and I finally was able to ship it out to me. And let's see who we have. I see already some bombshells, I would say, honorary bombshells, and some marble figures. Okay, so let's stand them up. And let's open the cards. Hopefully everything is here. Knowing Cool Stuff, it should be here. They've been so diligent in making sure that the package is in good order, in good condition, near mint, as well as secured. Okay, so the first one we have is Jessie Quick. Okay, so you hear we have the character here and the card. Okay, so I'm not gonna talk about her for this video because I'm planning a separate video for Jessie Quick. So quickly only for today. We also have Vixen next. Okay, so from the JLU, okay, a separate video will also be upcoming for Vixen as part of our DC Bombshell series. We have Big Barda, okay, a super rare from the JLU as well. Okay, Big Booty Barda. Okay, so also a separate video. I think most of our DC would be separate videos. Okay, and we only have 3 DC anyway. So yeah, let's set them aside for now. The next one we have, let's take a look first at this one. This is the team up card for Wolverine 004-06 from the House of X set. Okay, I've been trying to complete as well all the team up cards, and this one puts me one step closer to that goal. Wolverine teaming up with Bishop, Storm, Gambit, Rogue, and Sage. Okay, so let's look at it quickly. If 2+ listed friendly characters are on the map at the beginning of the turn, if Wolverine or a listed friendly character has 2 action tokens, that character may make a close attack at no cost. So free close attack even if you have 2 action tokens. That is interesting. That's powerful, but would have been more powerful if it happens anytime during the turn. But this one at the beginning of the turn. Okay, because if it's anytime, you can just, if you have 1 token, you can have a costed action, and then you have 2 now, then you can do a no costed attack. Okay, so but still strong, quite strong for a team up card. Okay, happy that I have acquired that. Okay, so let's look next at the 3 cards, and these 3 figures have a common keywords between them. Can you see? And the answer would be the Omega Flight keywords. Okay, so Omega Flight is, I guess, X-Men adjacent because we have the Alpha Flight from Canada. But the Omega Flight team, I think, has been used by multiple team iterations. Okay, so not just the Canadian or mutant team. Okay, if I believe this 3 is from the Omega Flight coming out of the initiative in Civil War. Okay, so led by Iron Man, if I'm not mistaken. So, but we have them anyway. So we have the US Agent. Okay, this is from what set? Avengers set. Okay, so real name is John Walker. First appearance, Captain America 323. Background, a soldier turned superpowered wrestler known as the Super Patriot. John Walker was tapped by the US government to take over the role of Captain America when Steve Rogers resigned, eventually returning the mantle to Captain America to Rogers. Walker took a new identity as US agent and was installed by the government as a member of the West Coast Avengers. Later, he will be a member of the modern-day Invaders. Following the Civil War among the heroes, he moved to Canada to join Omega Flight. Okay, so I guess it's still Canada-based. We have Spider-Woman, Omega Flight, and of course Spider-Man family from, I think, also Avengers set. So Julia Carpenter, Secret Wars number 7 is the significant appearance. Okay, Crouching, Spider-Woman. And the last member of Omega Flight is Arachne. Okay, Omega Flight, okay, from Skrull, Secret Invasion set, I guess. Julia Carpenter, Secret Wars number 6. Background, a serum created by a government program in an attempt to recreate Spider-Man's powers gave Julia Carpenter an array of abilities that included the ability to create webs of psionic power. After meeting Spider-Man on Battleworld during the Secret Wars, she returned to Earth and joined a number of teams before ending up on Canada's Omega Flight. Okay, so I love the paint job on this. Okay, you can see the spider design all across her body. So we have Omega Flight on the side. And the last one, Power Princess, Valkyrie, and T'Chaka. The second shared keywords is Exiles. Okay, Exiles is one of those X-Men related team. Okay, so there's also a bunch of mutants included in the team. So I purchased these 3, although they're not necessarily mutants, but they are part of the team. So yeah. First one is Valkyrie from the War of the Realms set. Okay, so real name unknown, or perhaps various, because there are a lot of Valkyries, but this one is the one in the MCU, I guess. Okay, Exiles cover at the back. Okay, great skull. Okay, so we're not gonna look at them in detail. Okay, perhaps a separate video. The next one is Power Princess from the Squadron Supreme. I think this will be Marvel's equivalent of Wonder Woman. Okay. And Zarda Shelton is the real name. Defenders number 112 is the significant appearance from the Avengers set, and she is a prime Power Princess, PPP. And the last one, also a prime from the is this an Empire? I can't recall. This might be Avengers Empire set. Okay, but this is T'Chaka the second. I think the father of T'Challa. Okay, or grandfather perhaps. So T'Chaka the second. Okay, distracting banter trait, showing off to impress the ladies. Charge flurry stealth special movement. And you can see the Exiles cover, a significant appearance. And you see some other members of the Exiles here. We have the Scarlet Witch. We have, I think, Dark Beast here. We have Blink. Okay, and T'Chaka is here. As I said, mutant adjacent team. Okay, so happy that this got to me safely. Okay, and look forward to the deeper look at the figures or highlight of the figures, especially these 3 bombshells. But until then, bye bye.